Hi there. In this Microsoft Word PowerPoint video, we'll take a quick look at the slide sorter view. In doing that, I'll also add transitions between the slides, which are very similar to animations, but they're from slide to slide, as opposed to animations for objects within a slide. So the slide sorter view you can access down at the bottom here, and that basically gives you a grid view of all the slides. And if you just scroll down, you can see all of my slides. So if you wish to rearrange slides, this is a good way of doing it. For example, if I want to put the content from slide 6 first, I can just drag that, and it gives you an indication of where it will reside once you let go of the mouse. Of course, in my situation, I'd have to change the number in the title as well. Again, the reason I added those numbers so it would be easy to manipulate in the outline view. Now we can also add transitions by choosing the transitions panel here. And again, just like with my animations, I find the fade to be the most simple of the transitions. If you want to apply that transition to each slide, you can choose each one and fade, or you can choose apply to all. Now if I look at my presentation, switch to slideshow, you see the entire presentation just fades in, and then each individual object also fades in because of the animation that I added via the master. So that's the slide sorter view, as well as adding a transition. Try out the different transitions. There's some very remarkable ones. Again, I like a nice simple fade that's not just distracting from the content. Another thing I'm going to quickly do is add some slide numbers. So we can do that via the master, just like we added the animations. So if I choose View, Slide Master, and we have title and footers here. So these are the footers presently. Again, the master pertains to the particular layout you have selected here. So if I want to add a footer, I'll call this Presentation Tips. You can zoom in if you need to. Presentation Tips. So that'll appear on every slide with the two content layout. Now, it seems like the footer and this material will just appear automatically, but we do have to do a little bit of extra work here. So we want to choose the insert and then text and header and footer, and we want to choose everything that we want to include on the slide as well. So this is for the actual presentation, this is for the printout. So I'm just going to add it to the presentation. So I'm going to say date and time, update automatically. I'm going to add the slide number and the footer, and I'm going to say don't show on title slide, and I'll choose apply. And now if I go back to normal view, you notice that we have that text on every slide except for the title slide. So that's using the slide sorter view to add transitions, and then the slide master to add additional text such as headers and footers. Thanks so much for watching.